is Mohammed Taha, and I was studying at Chandigarh University. I got a sharp pain at night, and my stomach was really hurting. So in the morning, I decided to go to a hospital, and there they just dosed me with 6 painkillers or 7 painkillers just to um, make me feel better. But they couldn't really recognize the problem, so I had to switch the hospital and go to another hospital in Mohali, I believe. And I was admitted over there for around 6, 7 days, but the doctors couldn't recognize and like find the problem. So I decided to come to Ahmedabad, Gujarat, to the doctor, Mr. Joy Abraham, um, in the Excel Hospital, and he was really good doctor. He recognized the problem, and I was over here under his supervision for around 6, 7 days, and we had a surgery which was very successful, and I'm really happy that now I am very healthy.
Follow and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos.